Dear God, help me.
Run. I'm not drinking coffee no more. Dang. That shit not even natural caffeine. This shit right here, this pure caffeine. Coquina. Yeah, I like that. Nah, nigga, do it again.
Yo, you know what it is and what it do. It's your boy, filmed by Aladdin and Canoe. Are you recording? Oh. Alright, as you can see, we got this fire pearl white M5 2018, I think. Shut up. I think it's a 2018. Pretty sure. Yeah, 2018 BMW M5 pearl white.
Yo, you want to do this something right there?
Oh, bro, what the fuck? Hold on. Yeah, let's go park it over there.
Dude, niggas not. I'm just saying, niggas never listen to me.
You never said anything about it.
I did.
No, you didn't.
When we pulled up, I said we should go right here, bro.
I didn't hear you say
Exactly
that.
what I said.
I didn't hear you say that. The boom-bitty boom-boom. We're gonna change the little location.
I like the way it looks.
Yeah. We're gonna do it like this, and then we're gonna bring it like this. Yeah.
Let me fix this one.
Yeah.
Okay. My hands are freezing. Fuck. I know the people at the front are like, ooh,
Yeah. I was watching that the whole time.
They can afford that? Not really. I mean, we could for the loan.
I think that
And
should
hard
be
work
good.
and dedication.
I'm gonna go this way a little bit. Come like deal.
Are you gonna do it right behind the gate?
Yeah.
Like right behind it?
Yeah. I wanna try to.
What you want, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm bugging for not having brought it.
No more working outside without gloves.
Look at that beauty. I wish this wasn't here.
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
Yeah.
You wanna leave the tire like that, or you wanna turn it?
Hell yeah. No, why would you turn it the other way? You gotta show.
I was just asking a question.
You gotta show the wheels.
You can show it the other way.
No, you
Like,
can't.
Turning that way.
No, because then you're looking at the tire.
Still the wheel.
You want the wheel to be directly lined up with the.
Tire is the wheel, right? No, that's the rim. The wheel, no. The wheel is that middle part. The tire is the rim. No, the rim is the rim, the outside of the. That's what you just said. That's the middle part, though, right? Yeah, but the rim is like the outside of the middle part. So there's two middle parts.
I'm about to smack the shit out of this man, bro.
Like you did me earlier today when we were at Toyota.
Car photography is so nice. It's so fun. Oh, this is beautiful right here. Wow. Come on, focus on the wheel, bruh. No. Yeah. Boom, that's the one right there. I really want to climb up here though. Can I do it? Will I do it is the real question. No. Damn. Right here. Ooh, there it is right there. Ooh.
Get a little color in here, put a little yellow in there, a little white behind the wall, got a little red here, got a little black. I try to mix it up. Usually when I'm shooting, I try to get the colors and shit like that, get a different aspect. You guys here? Yeah, so that's usually what I'll try to do, so yeah. Make sure you follow me next time.
Oh my god.
Oh, I thought we were right.
You're good, bruh. I hate this man so much.
Oh yeah. So let me show you what Daddy was talking about.
Oh my god, not the daddy.
So that's like, see, like you did a little,
Wow.
yeah. High five, man.
Hold on. Hey, when I'm gonna move this a little bit. When the M shows, let me know. Right here.
Okay. I think I'm not smart.
Yeah, I was about to say, I don't know if you can handle this. I had to think about it. I was like, I don't know.
I thought about when you said it, I was like, what does he mean when the M shows?
All right, can you handle this?
Put it in. All right, go ahead. Keep going. All right, hey. All right. That was hard. Hey, what you doing? Oh. Car start rolling. Run. She wanna run far away. Come far away with me. She gonna come far away. She gonna fall. How you think I feel?
Dear God, help me.
Run. shit not even natural caffeine. This shit right here, this pure caffeine. Cocaine. 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 Keep me up, nigga.
This man is cracked out right now. Dear God, help me. Yo, I can't focus with this man.
Crazy. That Kia Soul, that shit looks fucking retarded.
Shut the fuck up for 5 seconds.
If you're ever looking for a special effects to do, I usually like to grab a few sticks off the tree. You know what I mean? And just to give it like a blur effect. See how it's kind of dark right here? You see that right there? Put a little twang to it.
No. That's no.
No, yeah. I didn't think you were behind me. What's that? He said no. Nigga, I thought you had something going.
What is he doing when you try to be a photographer? Yo, I just really hope they're not looking over here right now.
Nah, for real, like, oh, this is what they always in their time. This is what they told us that they could do.
Alright, I'm gonna get some
Hey, this is the
interior
first time
shots.
I've ever taken a car and had hella pictures. Like, usually I'd be done. I'd be like, all right, I did it all. I got it all. I got it all.
Damn, I wish I had gotten that M. I need a wide angle lens, bro.
Can we just do one where we just rev it to 200 real quick? I just need that picture. That's all I need. I just need one of them.
I was about to say, this should not have a navigation. It's got.
Oh, didn't you want to make one of those videos, bro, where you do like go from the back? Like the back of the
Oh,
car?
yeah.
Do, like one from the front. See, I got you. I got you. That's why I need to drink coffee more. I'm not drinking coffee no more. Got you. Well, yeah, I thought about that move over there, but I was like, I'll wait till we get to a better location. What are you trying to do?
I'm just trying to put it in a more aesthetically pleasing.
Bro, it's not touchscreen.
No, bruh. I'm just trying to find something. I don't want a navigation. I want like.
You could
Let me do the radio. I'm just do the radio. No, hold on. I got
Okay,
you.
you know what? Fuck it. Fuck
I
it.
got you. I got you. Don't worry.
Yeah, I like that. Nah, nigga, do it again. Nah, go up.
It's like a certain spot you gotta be at. There you go.
Oh wait, it's just the Bowers and Wilkins, or that's just BMW that got like that. That's lame as hell. Who finna be in the car doing that while they drive?
You go like
Are you
this.
swiping shit?
Yeah.
You for real?
Yeah. I think it's like this, and then you can go.
No, you gotta go back.
You gotta be in like something that you can actually go
That's
to.
how they gonna try to gay nigga right there.
You gonna be driving by, dude's gonna be in his car just. You hell, bro. You are hell. Watch out.
You nigga, you watch out. I was already in the spot.
Alright, go for it. I already did that.
Oh my God, can you let me do what I need to do?
So you're trying to tell me I shouldn't do it, cuz. I haven't seen niggas take it like this, bro. Break one. I gotta know.
I can't remember the last time I took
Sorry.
a landscape picture. Like for real, for real.
I keep thinking somebody's behind me, bro. You gonna get behind me, nigga, you better pay me.
What do you mean by that?
Hey, yo. Never that.
Now, I'm gonna get my picture, bro. This shit like fire, bro. You're gonna be like, damn, Canoe, how the fuck you get it like that? You're gonna be like, damn, you a real nigga for doing that shit. All I need is to get on your shoulder. That's it, bro. We gonna open the hood too. Gonna get this engine. What type of engine you got up in there? You think the engine look nice?
That's a
Is it worth it?
Turbo 6, I think. Or
Is that a what, nigga?
Today, Junior?
Turbo 6.
That was a turbo, so it got like 6 engines.
I'm gonna get back to. Huh? I told you. Alright, I'm about to get going on video.